So what is your gift? What is your superpower? What is your purpose? In this ever-changing world, many of you will face multiple careers in your lifetime. I'm here to tell you, don't be afraid of change. Use the challenge of change to continually develop new skills. Experiment. Don't be discouraged when things go wrong. Oh, things will go wrong. Don't I know? Be brave. Be resilient. Keep your sense of humor. And don't wait to make it to make a difference. The world needs you now. Choose one random act of kindness a day. It just might actually help you find your superpower. Look for your superpower. Look for your purpose. Find it, learn it, teach it, and give it back. As Anthony Anderson says from Blackish, be ready, for when your time comes, you will have that window of opportunity. Seize the moment and capitalize on it. Be brave, be resilient, and keep your sense of humor. Thank you.